Mbadde ndowooza nze ndabawala okusinga okuwala. Mu kifo ky'okucreatinga society of beggars, creating a society of givers. Kakati creating a society of givers tosobola gitandikira waggulu. Era gavumenti mu parish development models endowooza yanditandikidde. Kuba bano bw'obatuuninga okubeera ba young entrepreneurs emyaka 3 ono ajja kulaba atunga amasweta, omulala akola chapati, omulala akola kundi, n'akola ka restaurant ebeera bweti n'ebirala bweti. For me, inspiration of the young gen. Kyomala abazungu bayitamu academies kazibe gupiira atandikira eno n'azimba. Ffe twagala kiwedde tukube. Abaganda bagamba akakyama amamera okagolora kamenyeka buki kakati katukatereereze.
But also to add value to our country. Do that. I chose to be with you for a purpose. Yesterday I mentioned one thing, that there are many I help. I will try. I will do more. I know that don't worry, bas. Sirika baby.
Said, when I came back, I told Mr. Seville, stop beating my what? These people are already beaten by the environment where they come from. And I think
oh God, the merciful, in you we trust. Then we go back. Make us successful in our lives. God, our Creator, in you we trust. And we sing that together. Oh God Almighty, hear us, oh God. Oh God, the merciful, in you we trust. Example, not only in Kololo, not only around the 7 hills or 8 hills or 10 hills or 12 hills surrounding Kampala, not only in Uganda, but that person that held the African flag, not only striving from the plains and plateaus and hills of Africa, but across the seas of the world, and taking the downtrodden from the slums, from the urban rich, like they say, or from the disadvantaged to the heights of the world. And I always say, yes, we can. Okay? Yes, we can. If they can, why not you? If they could, why not you? So, you shall also read it. I would have afforded to go to schools or to parties or to anyone. But my biggest investment is investing in the education of children. When you look around, I've always told you that whatsoever I will give will be what we call intellectual property. I'll speak my words and move with them. Pick my phrases and move with them. They'll inspire you as you aspire to go higher. Please, this is the turning point in your lives. You can either be or not be. Like it's written there, success is not a must, but a choice. You choose whether to be successful or not. Life is about the choices you make. It's Obama can go behind and say, no, I can't do this. We are the queens and kings of Kololo High. On a sewer. We might be disadvantaged by a lot. God might not have given your parents money. You might not have great friends. You might not have those that know you. But you will challenge this world by your behaviors and what you can do. The troop here, I'm ready to support you, and I maintain you. The boxers, kabaddi, and others, debate club. This world is those you know and what you can do. However good you may be, without someone knowing your talent, it's a wasted talent, correct? Therefore, just know that from today onward, you have a parent, you have a friend, and you have a friend in me. Baraba Musa Yuka Musa Koro High. Ngamanyationa ne majja kukeeka sawa munyigadde wakanga asanyusa. But nange mbagala. I love you children. Era mukusana nga musanyuke kulabye wammwe because I really love you. Already, my love for you is undisputed. Kati nange munyambe ekintu kimu, musome bulungi. Ate bwe mumala temuddayo kwebaka. You know why? Bali abaana abazadde baabwe babakolerera dda. Babayita bapulani what? Kakati ffe planning children mwe muli ba planning. Kakati bwe tumala tukomewo n'abali mu vaaka tukomewo tusome computer tugende mu Uganda Industrial Research Institute like I've told you, tuyiga okukola emizigo, tuyiga okukola soap, tuyiga okukola lotions, tuyiga okutabula paint. I want you to be painters, to paint your school. Mugambe